this is just a quick demo to illustrate what the Swiftcount program is and how it works with Spire. So here I'm logged in as an admin. So when I'm logged in as admin, I see all the orders from Spire. I see the purchase orders from Spire. We call them inbound and outbound. Inbound is purchase order, outbound is sales order. And then I can have somebody using a barcode scanner or something like this, going through and scanning orders to ship, to receive. We can count, we can keep track of bin location, we can keep track of serial number, lot number, etc. So that's the main platform, and that's what you need in order to get Swiftcount going. Once you have Swiftcount going, even if you don't use any of the other features, you can have different type of users. So for example, if I go to settings and I'll see the users, one of the users that I'm using is a sales rep. And when I go to a sales rep user, I can control whether he has access to all the customer or just his customers, etc. So I have another screen here where I'm logged in as that user. So when that user logs in, he actually only has access to one customer and just a few products. You can control what the reps are able to sell. You can also able to control what customers they're able to see. And then what they can do is with their mobile device, they can go and then just go to sales. You can enter a PO number, test October 12, for example. So in this case, he only has one customer, so that's what he selects. If you have different ship to, you can select them as well. You can always request a different ship date. But when I do that, the next thing is to see the items that I'm able to sell to that customer based on the different price level. So if a customer has a specific price level, you'll only see the items that are for the price level. And here you can either scan the item to basically load it up like this, or you can just enter the quantity that you want to sell, or you can just click on the little plus here and then accept. So in this example here, I only have 3 items. And once you finished the order, you just open the little shopping cart. You'll see the total of the order. You can move the order to ready for shipment and click on apply. And then what that will do is I will actually create an order in Spire. So this is my Spire here. I have a filter that says show me orders for today. And all I have to do is just refresh the screen now. And this is the order that I just created a second ago. And if I open it, it basically, so this is the PO that I just put it onto my scanner, test order 12, and I can see the item. And then basically based on the on-hand quantity of it, etc., you can use that order. Now, if you wanted to, you can also use the main account to scan this order. So if you wanted to, you can go back to the main Swiftcount and use a different user. So this type of user is a warehouse user, so they have access to the orders, they have access to everything. And here, if I wanted to, I can basically load this order onto my scanner to go ahead and start shipping the item. So in this case, I would scan the item, and now I'm telling the system that I'm shipping it, I'm telling which location I'm shipping it from, etc. But the idea would be that you basically, the key for you in what we're talking about is the ability to have a salesperson just do an order and create it in Spire automatically. So that's what we talked about, and that's what I want to show you. Thank you.